Welcome to my channel French Pulse. Let's enjoy learning French. Today we are going to learn some expressions with avoir. The verb avoir is used in certain expressions to express need of, to feel, etc. So let's look at some avoir expressions. Avoir faim means to be hungry, to feel hungry. Let's take an example. Je mange de la salade. J'ai faim. So what we have to do here is you have to conjugate the verb avoir according to the subject pronoun and then write the expression that is appropriate to the sentence. So je mange de la salade. I eat some salad. Why? Because I am hungry. J'ai faim. Avoir soif is to be thirsty. Je bois de l'eau. Why? I am drinking water. Why? Because I am thirsty. J'ai soif. You observe that we are conjugating the verb avoir as per the subject pronoun. Avoir peur is to be scared. Il voit un serpent. What does he see? He sees a snake, so he's scared. Il a peur. Now we've conjugated the verb avoir as per the subject il. Avoir sommeil is to be sleepy. Il va dormir. He's going to sleep. Why is he going to sleep? Because he's sleepy. Il a sommeil. Conjugation of the verb avoir is as per the subject pronoun il and you write the expression. Avoir 10 ans. You know when we express age we say j'ai 10 ans, j'ai 20 ans, etc. We use the verb avoir. C'est mon anniversaire, it's my birthday, j'ai 10 ans. So this is also where we use avoir to express age. Avoir de la chance means to be lucky. Elle gagne de la loterie. What have they won? They've won a lottery. Elles ont de la chance. They are lucky. Let's look at some more expressions with avoir. Avoir chaud means to feel hot. Elle ouvre les fenêtres. She's opening the windows because she's feeling hot. Elle a chaud. Avoir raison means to be right. Il y a 7 jours dans une semaine. There are 7 days in a week. You are right. Tu as raison. Avoir froid is to feel cold. Tu portes un chandail. You're wearing a sweater. Tu as froid. You're feeling cold. Avoir tort means to be wrong. Il y a 5 jours dans une semaine. There are 5 days in a week. Tu as tort. You are wrong. Let's look at some more expressions. We can also use avoir expressions to express when we are not feeling well. For example, I have headache, I have foot pain, back pain, stomach pain. So, où as-tu mal? Where are you sick? When we go to the doctor, je vais chez le médecin. I'm going to the doctor. Maybe I can't walk properly. Je ne peux pas marcher bien. Why? J'ai mal aux pieds. I have foot pain. This can be je vais chez le médecin for any reason. Let's take a few examples. Il va chez le dentiste. He's going to the dentist. Il a mal aux dents. He's got toothache. Elle prend des médicaments. She's taking medicines. It can be for various reasons, but let's take a few examples here. Elle a mal au ventre. Ventre means stomach. Or à l'estomac. Elle a mal à l'estomac. She has stomach pain. Elle a mal à la gorge. She's got throat pain. Il prend de l'aspirine. L'aspirine white for headache. Il a mal à la tête. Tu appliques une pommade. You're applying a balm, an ointment balm, pain balm. Tu as mal au dos. You have back pain. Or tu as mal aux pieds. You have foot pain. I hope you have understood how to use avoir expressions in French. That is the verb avoir with certain expressions in French. In the description box, there's a link to my Padlet and there's a link to my website French Pulse. There's also a link for a quiz on les expressions avec avoir. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Au revoir et à bientôt.